Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to get big sized fonts and colored text in ERLC. So we're going to be doing this by using HTML tags. Let me show you my notepad where I have kept the ones that work. So these are all the HTML tags. These are colored texts that work in ERLC. So let's copy one of these and let me show you how they're used. Alright, so for this purpose, I've taken the red color tag. And as you guys can see, there's a font color, there's a font size, and there's the text, the actual text where your text is gonna go. So for the size, you can change the size to any digit you want to, and then there's the text. This is whatever you want to type. All right. So for the size, the text size, let me go with a bit bigger this time, 50. And then for the text, you can type anything. All right, so I'm gonna do hello there, I am Alpha, just my name. All right, so as you guys can see, it's super big, super bold, and well, this can be used for trolling, but this can also be used for other certain purposes, like moderating, if you're like responding to a mod call, something like that, or like some formal event or something. I don't know, there's a lot of purposes, but yeah. So this can also be used as a combination. Here I have taken cyan and yellow, and I'm going to be using them. Oh my god, I can't copy. Okay, there you go. Now I'm going to be pasting them. So as you guys can see, they're now written as a combination of two different colors. Now you guys can do this with any color or colors. And yeah, you have to keep one thing in mind, that there's a limit to which you can type. And once you exceed the alphabetical limit of typing in the chat box, then your message is not gonna be put out like the way you want it to be. And yeah guys, that's probably it for this video. Once again, I have put every color code in the description of this video, so you guys can easily go ahead, copy them, and use them.